Hello my friends, it is, oh crap, it is 1:30 already and I've tried to do my work in the morning, but I have such a slow internet today. It was a challenge, and by the way, I'm uploading a new video and it hasn't uploaded like in 3 hours, but it's already so far, so I don't want to close it. So I'm just keeping the computer open while I'm driving, and I hope it will finish uploading. Anyway, today is nice rainy weather. Can you see something? Anyway, rainy and gloomy, and it's the perfect day to drive and to do some indoor activities. So let's see if my car will start, because it has had some troubles. There is this thing in my engine that it seems that this is the problem for this car. It's the EGR valve that keeps getting stuck. And it has been changed for 2 times now since I have owned the car. I hope it will not break, but I think it will need another change soon because it's starting to act up. Anyway, we're gonna start driving towards Lisbon. We'll see if we arrive there today or tomorrow, but for the evening, for the indoor activities, before we do that, we need some supplies. So let's go and find them. Let's go and find the supplies. I do not know if they are evergreen, but they look green now, so hopefully they will stay green for a little while. Nice. The coast has definitely been good for me, but not the salt. So before we go any further, let's wash the salt out of the car. Yeah? And from the bike, yeah, I don't want to have any more rusting. That I washed the car, the bike, myself and the camera. So it was really good for the bike. Like, I got a lot of rust off, and I did treat the chain and the metal parts with the WD-40, so I hope it will be better now. It's already 3 o'clock. We need to find a parking place for us now. We are not gonna reach Lisbon. No way. I don't want to reach there in darkness. So let's find a place for us. When I'm driving through bigger towns, I always look for dog parks so I can let the dogs loose, so they can, you know, sniff around freely, because usually I can't let them loose, especially Odessa, and you know, Linka has been now spoiled with our Nazare beach walks. Usually she can't do that. So I always check out dog parks, maybe play a little ball. Linka, you wanna have it? Good girl! Yes! No. Yes! Anan? Yata? What is this? Is this supposed to be a seesaw for the dogs? This is too tiny. Like, who climbs here? Maybe it had like a plate where you can actually make your dog walk on. Yeah, this park has seen better times. A lot of broken stuff. What can we do? Actually, we can't do a lot here. We can go on top. Okay. Yes. Listo. Yes. Maha. Yes. Peale. Yes. Good job. Peale. Oppa! Almost. Come on. Peale. Peale. Yes. What else do we have? We have a tunnel. Good job. Look, this is interesting. I've never seen this before. Like an outside corridor. I hope it's not broken. Linka, minä. Up. Tule. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Ah, yes. Duktig. Tule. Yes. Ah, that was fun. Dubbly. Odessa as well. Oh my god. Good job. Odessa, what do you think about that? What do you think about this park? Nothing. You don't care. You sweet, sweet soul. You don't care. I was making like a joke for Linka that hop, and she actually jumped through. Let's try it again. Linka, tule, hop! This is funny. Good job. I thought it's too high to her to even figure it out. Oh my god, you're smart. Come on. Yeah, hop. Good job. Odessa, you can sit. Odessa can sit. Yes. Good. This is the one thing that I miss about being stationary, is to go to agility lessons with Linka, because she obviously enjoys thinking. She's very athletic. We would be really nice team, but unfortunately we can't go to these classes because we were moving around. But yeah, it's fun to try them in these dog parks. I did not want to find a camp spot during the night time, but here we are. It's nighttime. Yeah, and I was also thinking I would stay more inside of the country, like not on the coast. Here we are. I think the beach is like kilometer that way or half a kilometer. It's quite near. So we're at like a seaside town again. Yeah, it is how it is. But today's campsite is really interesting one. So it's like a parking spot next to a big like grocery store, and there's a gas station, car washing station, but it is made for camper vans. So that is super awesome. I have seen those around here and there. So it's like a official parking place in the city for campers. Oh, there's a please, no. These are supposed to be beautiful places to have plants and grass, not eating, okay? So yeah, I feel like nice and safe here. But it's super windy. Anyway, I just fed the dogs. I will now feed myself, and then let's decorate the van. Oppa, what a rain! Sideways rain. Oh no. Okay, my friends, I have eaten my dinner and feeling extra sleepy. You know, these like car rides, I'm not used to them anymore. I'm used to chilling in a beach. But I'm doing a cup of green tea for myself, because then I can drink it with honey. Because I have major like sweet cravings. Oh, like quitting sugar, it's not easy, you know. And okay, I'm just gonna It's not chocolate. Oh, it's too sweet. But it's all I have. Whoop. Ooh, that was sweet. Anyway, yeah, quitting sugar is not easy. Because it's so comforting to eat sweet stuff. But now we are gonna do some decorations. I have my supplies here and they actually look together so nice. So I have these pine cones and these green leaves. Like, doesn't this look like Christmas already? But before we start hanging them, I want to try to create a little snow on them. And if we are doing Christmas stuff, let's put on a Christmas sweater. I am telling you guys, wool is the best thing ever. Even though like it's not so cold, it's just so nice and comfy. And I don't get hot in here. Like, it's like perfectly breathable and warm, like wool. I have abandoned my snowflake idea. Like these kinds of snowflakes, I don't like them. So I made a new plan. I made a bunch of these simple circles and I'm gonna glue them onto this little thread that you can barely see. And we're gonna make like a snowflake row out of them. I finished it. I love it so much and I think I have to start sitting here to show off my Christmas little corner. That's the, yeah, I can't do anything else because I don't have the space. And also these green little leaves, they are so beautiful on this white backdrop, but I don't have them more. I could do this whole like rack here. Maybe I will collect more tomorrow. Anyway, I love it and I wanted to turn down the light a little bit. Look at that, so cute. And I also have my snowflakes here. They look so nice as well. Linka, are you a little bit hot? Look how cute. But everything else is a mess. I have to clean that up. But this is so cute. Oh, I love it. I love it. Okay, and with that I end the night. Thank you for hanging out with me today. And I will see you tomorrow. Yes, look how nice my snowflakes are. Tangling in the wind. Oh, so cute. Yes, I like them. Okay, good night.